Hey, okay.
Okay, so as you guys all a lot of you requested.
We are finally
We're gonna
doing
do one
the
of
baby
the food
food
challenges. So we're
challenges.
doing the baby food challenge, yes.
So, let's show you what we have. We have puffs. I don't know what that is.
We got
Applesauce.
apples with
Sweet potatoes.
sweet potatoes.
Bananas. Ham and ham broth. And then we got beef and beef broth.
And then we got these strawberry milk.
Did we get another thing?
No.
No. So we're gonna start with this. Mine. Oh, and we have Coke if it's really disgusting.
Yeah, yes.
What are we getting ourselves into?
That's like eating Ava.
I like this though.
Yeah.
It's a 10.
I'll give it a 5 stars. This is not bad. You said it has a real strawberry taste to it.
Yeah. See, this is why they do this, so babies cannot get in it.
What is this? Ugh, it don't smell too good. There's no taste of them.
It just tastes like fucking whole wheat.
Where's the fruit to them?
Dead.
I give that a 1.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no.
Let me clean my palate. Okay. So we're gonna do the nastiest thing first. So.
Oh.
Oh my god!
Oh, it does smell like cat food.
And we do have to eat this whole thing. That's what the person said. I give this a 1. No, I'm not eating this.
I give it a 0.
That's the lowest you can get. Oh, I think I need this. Oh my god.
How does babies eat meat-related baby food?
It smells the same thing!
God. Yeah, just look at the consistency of that.
Yeah. Alright. Now, we do have to eat all of this.
Oh.
So, because it's a 2-packer.
Oh.
Here's Brandy's.
This is banana.
This is banana.
I'm sorry, we cannot eat all the meat ones.
No.
I give the turkey, the chicken, and no, the ham, and whatever one we just ate, a 0 too.
It does not smell like bananas. This is a 5.
Yeah.
It does have an aftertaste though.
Yes.
Alright. Let's put the top on that one. Oh, and if you don't know, we're in my basement. We have 2 more. Sweet potato
An apple.
and apple. This might just be fucking applesauce.
Yeah. Watered down applesauce.
Mushy applesauce. Yeah. Here's the potato one. I'm actually a third. I'm gonna eat this later.
Oh my god, it's just foot.
Well,
On my finger.
I'd rather do that than do it on me. Let's see about this one. Oh! Yeah, I'm not gonna eat this.
I give this like a 1.
It's good. Okay. Time for this. Sorry for that.
Not now. People.
So now it's the applesauce. Okay, this is mine.
My favorite.
I'll put mine up there.
Time for some applesauce.
Yeah. Oh. They do smell like cat food. I have to say that.
They really kind of do.
Oh, this is just applesauce.
Yeah.
I love applesauce. This and the potato.
No, banana.
No, the banana.
The banana.
That?
Yeah. The sweet potato.
Yeah, the banana is the highest.
This one has a 5.
As you can tell, I'm still eating it. I give this a 5 too.
Yeah.
This. I don't know how baby can eat this. No taste. No taste at all. But I might just use it in cereal, you know? Take off that and so my parents don't see. So that was
The baby food challenge.
the baby food challenge.
Peace.
Peace. And I ate baby food for you, so I better get a lot of views and likes on this damn channel.
We better get some subscriptions on because they're on accounts.
Yes.
Because we did this for people that are insane.
Yeah. So
Peace.